Summer heat hitting hard? Then let's make a refreshing watermelon mojito but with a desi twist. First, into a blender goes around 250 grams of fresh watermelon. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and blend it into a smooth juice. Now for the magic desi touch. Add half a teaspoon of black salt or pink salt, quarter teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and juice of half a lemon. Mix it well. That sweet, tangy Chatpata flavor is what makes this drink addictive. Next, rim a glass with lemon juice and coat it with Chaat Masala for that extra kick. Into a glass, add a few lemon wedges, some fresh mint leaves, and a few watermelon cubes. Give it a light muddle to release all those fresh flavors. Now pour in the vibrant watermelon juice and fill the glass with some ice cubes. Top it up with chilled soda. Look at that fizz. Finally garnish with lemon slice and mint leaves. And there you have it, a desi watermelon mojito that's insanely refreshing, perfect for a hot summer day or a house party. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And thank you for watching.